Britain's biggest gift to the European Union has been the establishment of the single market of 28 countries now. But those 28 countries are not doing well in accessing finance for their small businesses to invest and grow. So British Commissioner Jonathan Hill has been put in charge of a capital markets union to spread the availability of finance that those small businesses can use to prosper in the single market. In the United States, their economy is recovering. Interestingly, 1 in 5 of the small businesses in the United States have recourse for credit to the high street banks. Here in the UK and in Europe, it's 4 out of 5. So if we can provide more varied forms of investment monies, credit for small businesses, we will prosper better. Two examples. First of all, crowdfunding, where a crowd of small investors invest in a particular company and thereby relay the risk across all of them. But it also means that it's an alternative form of funding. Another one is peer-to-peer lending. That's not me lending £5 to Alan Sugar to build up another company, but it means that 2 partners who otherwise haven't got what we call a platform or a venue can come together, lend the money to invest in a business and then prosper in that way. Now that is embraced by a capital markets union which is enabling these new opportunities to arise. It says that Jonathan Hill needs to approach this step by step, and he needs to ensure that any step made has a proper impact assessment, see what happens on the whole of the markets, and also to ensure that there's proper consumer protection. But there are some real difficulties along the way, as we have an inconsistency in insolvency laws, for instance. That needs to be tackled, but it can be taken in time. The United Kingdom in many ways is already ahead of the game, having learned from the United States of America. So let's get our ideas about widening the base for small businesses' credit, and let's use those opportunities to build jobs and growth within the United Kingdom, but also throughout the European Union, thereby actually ensuring that we provide the jobs and the prosperity for the people of Europe in the future.